Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I solve mathematics questions for grade level students. Today I'll be simplifying a solved question. Now let's solve it. Question says simplify 2 plus the root of 3 minus 2 into 2 minus the root of 3. There are different ways to expand or simplify. I can multiply this with this and then with this. But for today I'll be doing it this way. I have 2 plus the root of 3 and then 2 minus the root of 3. This is the same thing as I will take this 2 and then bring this bracket 2 minus the root of 3. Then I'll write plus the root of 3 into 2 minus the root of 3. Okay, so now I'll multiply each of them with the 2 outside and multiply each of them with the square root of 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times root 3 is minus 2 root 3. Now you don't multiply these 2 with the number within the square root. That's not correct. Okay, the same way you cannot multiply 3 with 2. You bring the 2 and make it the number before the square root. So if this root 3 times 2 is 2 root 3, and then root 3 times itself, now you can multiply the numbers within the square root. So root 3 times itself is, first of all, plus times minus is minus. All right, and then we have root 3 times itself, which is 3 times 3. All right, so this is 4. Now look at these 2. This is minus 2 root 3, and this is 2. I'm sorry. Oh, sorry for that mistake. This is 2 root 3. So this is minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3. And since they are the same, I can flip it and say, oh, this is this minus this, right? Since they are the same, it is 0. So we'll skip these 2 and move here. Minus the root of 3 times 3 is 9. So we have 4 minus, what's the square root of 9? That is 3. So 4 minus 3, our answer is equal to 1. Till we meet again, this is Fun Online Maths. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. It's goodbye from me.